Welcome back. So we're starting with one of the most common and versatile chart types in Excel, the column chart. For this, I will select our table. I'm going to create the chart, but before, column charts are great for comparing values across categories. For example, monthly sales, revenue by region, or product performance. So I have insert here, charts. We have also recommended charts, but I also have here insert column or bar chart. See? So I will select the first option, which is clustered column. And here we go. This is our chart, our first column chart. This chart shows us the monthly sales in a very visual way. You can immediately see that June had the highest sales and January the lowest. Now, let's format it a bit to make it easier to read. I'll add a chart title, monthly sales. Then make the bars blue for better contrast. I will try to double click here or select all the, by clicking on one of the columns, you see that all of these columns are selected. And when I go here, we can play with the color. Now I will add data labels to show exact values. And for this, I will right click on this one, add data labels, add data labels. You see now the values are in our table, even if we have here the vertical axis with the maximum value and the minimum value. Column charts are best when your categories, like months, are text-based and not too many. They're easy to interpret and perfect for presentation of reports. We can also compare two sets of data. Let's say we want to see sales versus expenses. I will select month. I will hold Control on keyboard. I will select also sales and expenses, or I can select, because they are in one range, I can select all, and I will insert a new clustered column chart. Insert, and now you see the second column chart. We can easily compare each month's revenue and cost side by side. This helps us understand not just performance but also spending trends.